Welcome. I'm here to make a quick demonstration of a professional drug-to-drug interaction analysis system that was created by us. This system uses natural language for processing. This system was processed using about 50,000 FDA data. And this system does real-time analysis as well as it gives conversational context. I'm going to do a quick demo so you can see how this system works under the hood. So first of all, I'm going to paste in here a prompt using natural language. And this prompt says, can warfarin interact with aspirin? And I'm going to hit the enter button for the analysis process. So as you can see, our analysis has been going on. And mind you, whatever information you see on this interaction is coming from FDA. So we can see our response here says, I found one interaction between your drugs. And then it says drug analyzed, warfarin and aspirin. Interaction summary says 1 warfarin plus aspirin. And then the severity says moderate, as well as detailed analysis with clinical recommendation is displayed in the result panel below. So we can see here on the analysis results panel where we have one interaction found. We have the moderate here as the interaction as the severity. We can see the mechanism information right here. We can see the risk level concerning this interaction. We can see the monitoring, we can see the recommendation, we can see the alternative considerations, as well as additional considerations. Right here, we see FDA citations as well. So if I click on here, you see it takes me to Daily Meds page where you can actually see this particular drug and the information here that was given concerning interaction. So you can get the actual information right here just to confirm from what our AI system is responding to. So at the bottom here, you can see here we have our current context is warfarin and aspirin, which is what we asked the AI system, can warfarin interact with aspirin? You can see here again, we have a disclaimer that says this analysis is for informational purpose. Always consult with the healthcare provider before making any changes to your medical regimen. I'm going to make one more prompt just to a continuous prompt just to for us to add one more drug into this interaction and see what the system is able to do. So I'm going to get this information that says, so add clopidogrel to this interaction. So I'm going to add this and click enter, let the system analyze again. So let's see what we get. Okay, so we got a response here that says, I found two interactions between your drugs. The drug analyzer aspirin, warfarin, and clopidogrel, which was what we just asked right now to add to that interaction. So you can see here in the detailed analysis that we have aspirin plus warfarin. There's an interaction between them, so which is a moderate interaction, and then we can really see the mechanism, the risk level, the monitoring recommendations, and alternative considerations, as well as the FDA citations. So we can see here again in the drug pair, we have aspirin and clopidogrel, which is unknown. So there's no interaction here known based off of our FDA data. It says no known interaction documented in FDA database for this drug combination. This does not guarantee safety. Consult your healthcare provider. And again, we can see that warfarin itself with clopidogrel has an interaction which is moderate. And then we can see the mechanism, risk level monitoring recommendation, as well as the FDA citation. So right down here, you can see that in our drug conversation context, we have three right now, which is the aspirin, warfarin, and clopidogrel. So this is what this system does. This system helps to analyze drug-to-drug interactions, different drug-to-drug interactions in different contexts. You can always add as many drug interactions as you want just to know if a particular interaction set is okay. And then you can always create a new chart if you don't want to continue with the current context chart you have. So if you want to actually asks for a different set of drug analysis, you can create a new chart like this, create a new chart, and then you can do the same process, ask any question you want to ask, and the system is able to help you analyze and give you the interaction information. Mind you, every information coming from this AI is FDA backed, and it's not just coming from anywhere. It's FDA backed, and it's coming from the FDA database system. So this is what this system is all about. Thank you.